everyone, welcome to my page. Today I'm here with the Beats Studio Buds. I couldn't decide between these and the AirPods, but I decided to just go with these. If you see my video from a week and a half ago, I did an unboxing on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I wanted to get me some little earbuds to go with my phone. I've never had any before because I'm always using the headphones that go over the head for the gym. I have a pair of Beats, a pair of JBLs, and a pair of Bose. So this is new to me. I haven't used any earphones in my ear since probably 2014. That's the crazy part. So yeah, it's time for the unboxing. So of course I picked this color because pink is my favorite color. I was excited, so I already kind of ripped the tab open. So what we have is, looks like it is information on the product, how to connect to Android and to Apple. What else? Sticker, cute. Some more info on the product. And free Apple coupon. Looks like we have some ear tips for different size ears, which is one of the reasons why I got these. Because I've always had a problem with earphones fitting my ears. They either fall out or hurt. And then, of course, the charger. And here goes the main product. It is beautiful. Look how cute. Adorable. I love them. That's what they look like. They have the B on it. They snap back in there. It's magnetic. I love them. They're cute. So one of the things that I love when you want to connect it to your phone or iPad, you just open it like that. It'll pop up there on your screen and actually have the percentage of both earbuds and the case. Sorry if my video isn't as clear because I'm using my iPad now. So I'm gonna go show you some of the things on the phone with the Beats. So just them open. Pops up just like on my iPad. Settings. I'm gonna go to Bluetooth and connect them. See how it pops up over there in the corner. Then you can go here. And that's how you pick which side of the headphones, whatever you want it to do, you just put it on there. So if you want the left to be Siri, the left can be Siri when you press it. If you want it to be noise control, it can be noise control. It's whatever you pick. When you press the B. So that's that. Also, I forgot to say it has Find My, so you can go to the map just like your phone and iPad and have an alarm set off if you lose your earbuds somewhere in the house. Since I was so undecided, I bought the Beats and I got the AirPods. Because the Beats, they fit in my ear, but they're not as snug as I would like. The sound quality is great. I love the color. But if the AirPods actually fit more snug in my ear, then I would like to go for these instead. If not, then I'll keep the Beats. But this is the AirPods Pro. Here we got the instructions on how to connect. Get some information on the product. That's it. And here's the product. Kind of hard to get it out of here. Second. They're cute. I wish they were pink, but they're cute little case. I guess I'm going to see how they fit. So you push this button on the back to connect it to your phone. These are what they look like. If you haven't seen them before. And it snaps back into place. It's kind of magnetic. The Beats are more magnetic though. I feel these more like sit in there a little bit. But yeah, that's that. So also the percentage comes up for the case and the AirPods, just like the Beats. So it has everything just like the Beats. You can pick which side you want, your noise control button or Siri. And also down here you have everything else. And clearly it's on Find Mine. So in the end, I ended up keeping the AirPods. My reasons why is because when I put it in my ear, it fit perfect. I can work out. And they did not fall out. I was impressed. I even did some yoga, which wasn't recorded, and they stayed in as well. And normally when you're doing back bends, headphones are hard to stay on. So these AirPods got the job done. This was definitely a better pick. The Beats would just fall out of my ear and I would just be laying on a pillow. So I couldn't imagine if I actually worked out in them. I didn't even make a video. I just returned them and ended up keeping these. And I am satisfied with what I picked. Sound quality, they're both really good. They both have a lot of bass in it, which I loved, but the thing with the Beats, since they didn't fit my ears, they'll slide out and you can't hear the bass as good. Since these are like in my ear perfect, I can hear the bass really good. The only negative thing for me, honestly, was they didn't fit. Other than that, I felt like the sound quality was really pretty close to this quality. Now, I don't know about call quality because I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, so I feel like these AirPods go better with my phone. So I say just try them out both if you can and then return the one you don't like. That's the best option because you won't know until you try it. Some people were saying the Beats was better. Some people were saying the AirPods was better. But me trying both, my honest opinion was the AirPods fit better for me. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.